You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing Swedish pronunciations and names of more financial institutions and different banks, make sure to stay tuned. So this is essentially the Central Bank of Sweden. Sveriges Riksbank. So it's not Riskbank, but Riksbank. Sveriges Riksbank. Or in English, I mean, if you cannot pronounce Swedish too well, you can say Sveriges Riksbank. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.